Well, people always ask me why don't I get video of the actual firefight, and oh fuck. And reason why is because it's very difficult to do this while in the middle of a fight. Anyways, gotta get back to it. Actually, one of my vehicles shooting into the wood line. Russian soldiers are directly in this direction. There is a dead Russian soldier right there, about 12 feet away from me. And we're expecting another swarm to be coming shortly, so I'll get back to you guys later.